When we follow children with Beckwith-Wiedemann syndrome, one of the major things that we pay attention to is the risk of tumor development.
Children with BWS are at risk for developing cancers, especially kidney tumors and also liver tumors, Wilms tumors from the kidney and hepatoblastomas from the liver.
There is a risk of approximately 7.5%, although there's a very large range from different studies on either side of that.
So a risk of 7.5% is higher than for other children who don't have BWS, but that means that there's a better than a 92% chance that those children will never ever develop a tumor. And that's important because I think sometimes we can get so focused on the problem that we don't realize that in all likelihood that child will never develop a tumor.
The main time frame for the development of tumors is really in the first few years of life. And the really good thing is that children outgrow this risk for the most part once they reach the age of about 8.
The screening for hepatoblastoma is looking at alpha-fetoprotein, which is a protein that's made by liver cells. We measure that every 6 weeks, typically starting from whenever they're diagnosed, and up until age 4 years of age. And then for Wilms tumor and other abdominal tumors, we do ultrasounds, full abdominal ultrasounds every 3 months until about age 8 years.